Welcome to AB Journal's Research Spotlight. Today we are looking at a study that examines how artificial intelligence is reshaping advertising and whether smarter AI-driven advertising is actually translating into stronger brand loyalty. Brands around the world are pouring resources into AI-powered advertising, assuming that better targeting and more personalized content will lead to deeper customer relationships. But most of the research in this space treats AI advertising, customer engagement, and brand outcomes as isolated cause and effect relationships. This study argues that way of thinking is too narrow and sets out to propose a more complete picture. The study draws on actor network theory to reframe these relationships not as a linear chain, but as an interconnected network. Rather than asking simply whether AI advertising leads to brand loyalty, the research examines how AI advertising, AI-based customer engagement, and brand outcomes function together as a system. Central to this framework is the concept of AI agency, which refers to the degree to which an AI system exhibits human-like qualities during customer interactions, and which the study positions as a key moderating factor in how engagement unfolds. The study finds that AI advertising does influence customer engagement, but the depth and quality of that engagement is not determined by how personalized or targeted the advertising is. It is determined by how human the AI interaction feels. When AI agency is strong, meaning when the AI system engages customers in ways that feel natural, responsive, and genuinely relational, the impact on brand awareness, perceived quality, and brand loyalty is significantly greater. Based on these insights, the paper proposes a new theoretical model designed to guide empirical researchers in testing these networked relationships in real-world contexts. The conclusion reframes how marketers should think about AI. Brand loyalty in the age of artificial intelligence is not simply a product of smarter algorithms or more precise audience targeting. It is shaped by the quality of the interaction itself, specifically by how human that interaction feels to the customer. For marketing practitioners and researchers alike, this is an important shift. The question is no longer only what AI is advertising. It is how AI is engaging. And we want to hear from you. Do you think AI advertising is building genuine brand loyalty or simply getting better at optimizing for clicks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This article is published under an open access model and is freely available to read and share. Visit www.abjournals.org to read the full paper for free. DOI 10.52589/BJMS-074RRGAV. If you found this spotlight valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more research spotlights from AB Journals.